All right, y'all. So I am now shredding my chicken. Turn the light on. One thing about shredding chicken is if you guys do not have these claws, definitely go cop you some because I'm telling y'all, it is definitely a lifesaver. It is helping me get this done so much faster, y'all. Let me put this up so y'all can see me actually shred some. There we go, y'all. All right. So literally, I take the claws and I just separate it. Literally just separate it. So this is my chicken, still hot, still seasoned, and I'm literally just separating it with this claws. And then after it's all separated and stuff, I put it in my crock pot to cook with the remaining seasoning, and then also the other ingredients that I'm going to be putting with my tacos. So yeah, y'all. This is the shredded version of the chicken. I don't think I actually recorded me seasoning the chicken, so if I didn't, y'all, first off, what's good, YouTube? This is your girl Brinks. Welcome back to the TikTok on a Sunday. I say TikTok. Welcome back to YouTube, y'all, on a Sunday. Y'all know it's cooking day. We are doing some honey chipotle tacos today. So the seasoning that I use for these tacos, honey ranch chipotle tacos. And right now you guys just see me shredding them with these basically grill claws, because that's what they call. You actually use them to get like ribs off the grill and then also to shred the ribs. I'm using it for chicken. And then I'm just putting it in the crock pot. So I was going to buy chicken already shredded, but I don't know if I told you guys this previously. Walmart stopped selling chicken already shredded, and that's where I went to go get groceries yesterday. So I said it'll probably be more cheap. It'll probably be cheaper and more efficient for me to just, buy some chicken breasts and shred them. But then I was dreading having to shred them until I remember I had these claws, y'all, and it literally just tears through the meat. But make sure that y'all are looking at a direction that the meat is actually separating, because that helps make it easier for you to shred it in the long run. And like I said, it is nicely cooked. It's not going to be in our crock pot long because we don't want our chicken to get dried out, but my chicken don't get dried out anyway, y'all. It's going to be just as flavorful as it is right now from cooking. Y'all see how easy that separates and how pretty it is separating, and juicy, because I know y'all see the juices. Y'all see the juices. That's
Seriously, mommy.
But yeah, we just separated it. But I will be back, y'all. Actually, I'll just keep this running, and then I'll show you guys me throwing this remaining into the crock pot with the other ingredients. All right, guys, we are back. This is our taco mix. It's gonna be another short video, y'all, unfortunately, but I honestly think that y'all pretty much like these short videos. But I just got back home from practice. Well, hours ago I got back home from practice. I'm not gonna let this just happen, but it did. So came home, checked on stuff in the crock pot. It was ready. Made TK's pork chops. He is eating kind of late, but my taco stuff is ready. So always take the pork chops. Pork chops are always bomb. So all I did pretty much for the pork chops, y'all, is I put my packet of seasoning in. I added a little bit more of the ranch packet. And then I added some honey. Mixed it all in. And now we are about to make a taco. I think I just want one, y'all. Like, I'm not really that hungry. So I have Fiesta blend cheese. I have some creamy Chipotle sauce. I absolutely love this. Even though I don't really eat Taco Bell, I feel like this is one of the best sauces to go in a taco like ever. And y'all can hate if y'all want to, but I feel how I feel and I say what I said. Bruh. Anyway, anyways, y'all. Besides that, I have some jalapenos. I have Fiesta cheese. What, cutie?
5 times 3 is 15.
Good job, baby. Fiesta cheese. And then I also have some fresh salsa and some light sour cream, y'all. So your girl has 4 shows coming up. I'm modeling in 2 and I'm designing for 2. The 2 that I'm designing for is straight back to back. So after I get finished with this show, Sunday, I have another show that following Saturday. So your girl is all over the place, y'all. First off, all over the place. And then after those 2 shows, I have another one June 21st, and then I have another one in July, beginning of July. We're off.
The first?
No, I said the beginning of July, cutie.
July is July the 1st.
The first day of July is July the 1st. But anyways, y'all, besides that this month, we are also going up to Toledo around the 27th, the following week after. I think it's the 27th, whatever day the closest to last Saturday is this month, y'all. We'll be going up to Toledo, meet mom and sis, staying Saturday to Sunday morning because she wants to see Ricky Smiley. Me, not a huge Ricky Smiley fan. He is entertaining, but when it comes to like comedy and stuff, venture out in other directions. But not knocking him because he is pretty enjoyable, especially in Friday After Next. Thought he was quite hilarious. But as far as like getting tickets to go see him, like I personally wouldn't have done it on my own. So I mean, I'm definitely going to go ahead and accompany her because she loves her some Ricky Smiley, and it's something to do, y'all. It's the summertime, so we'll be doing that. I will try to vlog, but y'all know how my mom feel about vlogging. So get some footage of that, and then that's going to pretty much conclude my June. Besides, hair DIYs and the fashion shows and just going out in general. Alright, y'all, my taco. And that is what the inside looks like, y'all. So, like I said, I added sour cream, jalapenos, my cilantro lime rice, fresh tomato salsa, the Chipotle taco sauce, some sour cream, and then Fiesta cheese, y'all. I could have warmed up, the outside of it and whatever, but I forgot, y'all. But it's about to go down. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, stay tuned. We're going to start DIYs starting next month. Because I have 3 shows this month, 3 of the 4 shows this month, and then 1 next month, and then Unless I model in another one, I think that's all I'm gonna do this year, y'all. Or unless somebody does like a Winter Wonderland show that I can design for, because I've been wanting to do one of those for a long time, especially since I did that first one. That pretty much got me back, y'all. Got me back designing. That's the only thing that I would design for again this year. Other than that, y'all, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I will see y'all. Bye.